Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about DOS and DDoS concepts. Okay, let's start. Way back in 2003, even Microsoft, being a big company, falls for the victim to DDoS attack. The company's website was inaccessible for 2 hours. Now it's been up there. Now if you conduct a DOS attack to such a big company, that don't affect them. They have all the hardware, all security, secure measures, everything. So, and also apart from that, in same year, March 27, there was another attack on English version of Al Jazeera's website, and it was also blown away due to the denial of service attack. These two were some of the interesting news way back in 2003. So let's move on. So what are denial of service attacks? Basically, we are denying the service. Let's suppose take an example. See, if you remember client service model, what happens in client service server model? A PC will be there. This will be a client, and you will send some request. It could be any of the website like Amazon.com or something. And as soon as you send the HTTP request to this particular web server, we will get a response. Right. This is a typical client server model. See here, denying the service means using like hundreds of PCs and sending the same HTTP request to this web server, and basically this web server can't able to withstand all these requests, so many requests. So what happens? This server will or website will crash. So the other legitimate users who want to access this user who want to access this website can't able to access this web server. So what happens? We are denying a service to this legitimate user with the DDoS attack. So see what we are doing through DOS attack. We are slowing down the website for legitimate users by overloading its resources or sending so many requests to that particular website. Not only website, you can send or perform this DOS attack on a particular target machine as well. So this is about DOS attack. Let's move on. What are the goals of DOS attack? Of course, as I explained you, to disrupt the service to a specific system or a person. I have explained you. Not only suppose this is a network and there are so many different host machines are there in this network, in this network infrastructure. What you can do, you can target a specific host machine and flood that with so many data packets so that this host machine will be flooded. It can't able to respond to other host machine and can't able to perform its regular work. So that you can do that as well in DOS attack. Apart from that, can prevent an individual from accessing some particular service, disrupt the connection between any two machines, flood a network through so many packets. So how these things are conducted, we'll see in further slides. Okay, then what? Suppose let's take an example of any company like Zomato or something. Okay, what happens here? Suppose if you conduct a DoS attack on this app, their app will crash, and they can't able to so many people can't able to legitimate users can't able to access this app or any of the website. Legitimate users can't able to access this service. So here what happened then? Zomato, the work will be, business will be disrupted. Financial loss will occur to that company. So many things will happen. So that's the impact of DoS attack. Disabled network, disabled organization, financial loss, and loss of goodwill also. What you feel? Okay, Zomato is not working properly. I should not use Zomato anymore. Let's switch to Swiggy. So goodwill will be lost there. So many things will happen if DoS attack will be conducted to your business or your website. So these will be the impacts. That's it from this video. Thank you so much.